This is Car Guys Talk with Andrew and Tavarish.
I bought another car.
You did.
I did.
You did buy another car, and I'm probably more excited about this car than I am anything else in the fleet right now.
You say that in every time I get a car. Every time I get a car, you're like, you know what? I'm probably more excited about this car.
You know what? This new car should be the one that Matt Moorman from Obsessed Garage. That's the one he should detail.
That's the one in Obsessed Garage.
That's the one he should detail. Yeah.
Should we do a reveal, or should we tell them? I don't think it should be a big secret.
Listen, I think it should be a secret. It should be a secret, and we should do a reveal video.
I'm excited about this new car, and I normally don't give a crap.
So you know what? I don't think it should. It's going to be a reveal video, but not a. I think people should kind of know what they're gonna get, because I don't want to keep anything.
I don't know. I think we should do a classic YouTube thing and keep it under wraps until it gets here.
So you guys, I'm not okay. How about this? I'm not going to tell anybody what I got until I get the car.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Okay.
It might not show up. There's always
it might not even show up. Actually,
Yeah.
that's a very fair point.
Catch on fire,
It could catch on fire,
which would make it more desirable to you.
So, but I will give some hints. I'll give 2 hints.
Okay.
Okay. Mid-engined, not European.
You bought a Previa.
Shh. Come on, man! What?
You beat him to the punch, man.
You could no. It's not a Previa. So you guys let me know in the comments what you think it is, and I will. If you're right, then I won't say anything, and if you're wrong, I won't say anything.